I just got this Yaheetech recliner, so in this video I want to do a quick assembly and give my first impressions of it. So here's everything it comes with. We're going to have the base, the backrest, the feet, the rubber washers, and the instructions. So the first thing I do is to flip the base over, and we're going to grab the plastic washer and put it on the foot and then screw all four in. Then we can flip this right side up and attach the backrest right over here. And then give it a good push, and it'll lock in place. And there it is. And this recliner looks really soft. We're gonna have a very squishy backrest, and the seat is gonna be a little bit more firmer, so it's gonna hold you a little bit tighter. And this basically feels like I'm just laying back on a pillow. Now, one thing to note about this recliner is gonna be the width of it. So I'm 190 pounds, I'm 6 foot, and here you could see this fits me if I spread out my legs. If I spread my legs inside, there's gonna be a little bit of a gap, so I have like maybe about 2 inches on each side, so there's not going to be a lot of space. So if you're somebody that's a little bit wider, this might not fit you. Now, as far as height goes, this fits my legs perfectly at like a 90-degree angle. But if you're somebody a little bit taller, over 6 foot, your knees will probably go ahead and look like this. Now, to get the recliner to work, you just have to push back, lift your legs up, and then just finish with your arms and just push yourself down. And this does recline pretty far back. Now, I'm not sure if this is 180 degrees or not, but I'm looking at the ceiling, so this is basically as if I'm laying down. It does overhang a little bit, but it's not a lot that I notice, or it's not uncomfortable just because the cushion on top goes ahead and supports my head, so it feels kind of like a pillow. Same thing goes for my back. It feels very comfortable. And towards my lower back, there's also going to be some nice cushion, so this kind of reminds me of like lumbar support. And I feel like I could just relax and take a nap here. And you're probably noticing my feet are overhanging, so if you're somebody, again, much taller, your feet will overhang even more, but this isn't anything uncomfortable. And then when you want to get back up, you just have to hold onto the handles, push yourself upwards, and then push your feet down, and there. So there's going to be a bunch of different color options, but I opted for this tan color just because I thought it contrasts the room really nicely. And if you look closer at the recliner, although this is tan, it does resemble a little bit of orange, but it's nothing too bright like neon. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this recliner. It's easy to use, it matches nicely with the room, and my cat Tiger likes it too. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Yaheetech Recliner.